Welcome to Best Car Fixes. I have a YouTube channel, by the way. You can subscribe and share. Okay, we have W220, call it Best Car Fixes. W220 Mercedes Benz. It's from 1998 to 2005 or 2006 S class. This car here, if the door lock unlock doesn't work, you say, okay, you see here, if I push it, you see it work here. You see, it work fine. The pump is work. Even this side, if I lock it, you see, if I unlock it, they work. You say you check all the fuses?
Yeah.
Front,
left, right, under the seat.
and you change the battery?
Change the battery in there.
Okay. He changed the battery also. If you see here, it work, but nothing is working. I push here, nothing is work. I push here, nothing is work. So let's go ahead and try to diagnose this car, at least to see what happened, because he did all his homework, but we have to establish Mercedes-Benz. Okay, this is 2000, so I can make automatic. I can do automatic detection. If it's not, I'm gonna put the year model of the car. He said he checked all the fuses. I believe it doesn't work like that, so let me go to another way. Cancel. Okay, cars, S class, W220, and then I will go to seat and doors. Front door control module, left door control module, multi control, front right, multi towers, lumper. Okay, let me go to rear door control module. I gotta go back. Let me go to body. Okay, body, front SAM. I want to go to rear SAM. Rear SAM is the one that control ECU not responding. Wow, let me see front SAM. Not responding. Okay, let me go to body again. Let me see this one here, if it has it. This is up to 2008 2002.
2 seconds, I'm walking down the door, right?
I am here. I don't need you. When I finish, I'll let you know. So it's not communicating, but I'm trying. Okay, so let me just go back. Where is that? Where is it? Quick test? Still, they need a VIN number. So let me put the VIN number, and then I see what happening. I have there William, David, Boy, Nancy, George. William, David, Boy, Nancy, George. 75J4YA. 75J4Y. A038. 38. 24/8. Okay. Quick test, vehicle scan. Let me scan it first. This car was good. Also, I'm gonna prepare my tester light. Please stay with us. I'm gonna prepare my tester light in the back. Okay. This one is connected. I'm gonna connect this one here for the test purpose. What I need to do is here, meanwhile, I'm gonna come here. You see this cover, this light here, you're gonna take it out. and then you're gonna come here and start testing all this. But if you notice here, yeah, we have, you see here, we have green, yellow, blue, black, red. So let me see this one here, and this is a voltage here. This is good. This is good. You need to concern about this 1, 2, 3. Don't go far. See here? Look, it's 0 voltage. 11 volts. The good fuse must be this way. This way. This way. So my concern is here. See this? Something wrong here. 1. This is good. This is good. This is good. Before we go further, I'm gonna prepare that sensor. Okay, I'm coming. I'm gonna have this one here, and I will take this fuse. I know it's 15, but I'm not sure what fuse is, but I'm gonna put this one. Then I'm gonna diagnose the car. It's supposed to put this one under diagnose it, but I want to diagnose the car to be sure what code am I getting in case. Here, as you see, diagnosis is continue. We did not finish yet, but we're gonna wait for it a little bit because this is very old car. Reading computers are very slow. So this is a car, as you see here, is beautiful car. This is S 500, and from 1998 to 2005, 2006, almost the same. I'm gonna wait for that thing to be ready. Okay, now this is a report. Communication fault, right body accelerator. I don't know what is there, but let me go down, let me go up. You see fault with the front side solenoid valve. I don't know what that means, but this is what? Airbag.
How are you?
Good, how are you? Okay. So now, yes. So now, okay. I see a lot of quotes. Page down, a lot of quotes. I don't know what it is, but my that's a lot of quote. Page 1, second page, third page, fourth page, headlamp. Okay. My step now. Turn the key off. Go here back. And let me see something here. The green one here. Click this. Now let's go see what happened. I'm gonna clear all the code and see if my thing gonna work. This work by pump. Okay, I'm gonna go back. I'm supposed to clear all the code. I didn't clear it. Let me take this one out. Push this one here. Close the door now. Close the door. Unlock it. Close it. Good. So there is nothing wrong in this car. We have a couple of code that you saw it. I forgot to delete it, but that's okay. Petrol. Check engine light is still on. We have a lot of code inside, but that's not my problem. Our problem, what we know is that fuse there, the owner said that he checked all the fuses everything is okay. We found that's blown. We don't know what make it blown, any resistance, anything, I am not sure, but this is the result of our test. Everything is good, key is good, system is okay. That the piece that is you saw, we don't have any voltage on one side. So please, if you have this problem, do not go around, try to locate that fuse and be sure it's good, and be sure also the door lock work from here first. If it doesn't work from here, the remote will not work. If it's work from here, you can suspect the remote. Also, to check the remote, we have okay, let me check what we have, what fault we have in this control unit. It's supposed to come, it's supposed to check it. Maybe this is fault, reading the fault. This is zero fault, and then maybe because there is no, I see the checking light on and it said zero fault. Maybe the problem is in the transmission. I'm gonna leave this one here. It may drag me for another trouble, so we don't need one. We don't need that. No, I'm talking about. So, yeah, we're good to go. How many key you have for this car? One?
Yeah.
You gotta make another one if you get a chance. Sitting with one key is not helpful. Sitting with one key on this car is not helpful. Better make a spare key when you get a chance.
Oh, okay.
Because spare key is a peace of mind.